Hi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Desert Mist, which this beauty you can actually get in your starter kit. So this is what it looks like. It's got this pretty plastic cover that comes off. Put it on the floor. And then it has this silicone thingy. I don't know what that's called. And then in here is the sensor that helps to distribute the oils. So I have right here the blend that I'm going to be doing today. Guys, if you have Young Living essential oils and you haven't tried this blend, you need to, because it's amazing. It smells like peaches. It's so sweet and fresh and uplifting and just yummy and dreamy and all the above. So anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in just to show you real quick. We are going to do 3 of orange. 1, 2, 3. Oops, we'll plop them back over here. And then Valor. Valor is one of my favorites. It's the bravery oil, gives you that boost of confidence if needed. It's grounding, great for emotional support, and it smells amazing. And it's this beautiful blue color. So we're going to do 3 of Valor. Okay. And then cedarwood, we are going to do 2 of this one. Okay. All right, so that's that, and then you just take the rest, and inside there's the fill line. You can actually see it. We're going to fill that up with water. And again, you can use tap water with this, which is awesome. Put your lid on. You can see there's like a little divot right here, this little thing, and that's how you know that it's lined up. And then you just take it and make sure that it's locked. And then you plop your top back on. And that's it. So then right in front here is the power button, and then it comes on. And it actually has 3 different settings. So right now it's on full, or not full, but I guess the highest choice that you can choose, where I believe if you have this on, it runs, I think, is it 6 to 8 hours? Then you can hit it again, and that's the low setting, which obviously will run a little bit longer. And then the third option is intermittent, which means it will be on for a minute, off for a minute. And I believe that one can run between 8 to 10 hours, depending on the oil you have in there. That's the one that I tend to like to do, depending on what I'm diffusing. Like if I'm diffusing for immune support, like thieves and lemon, then that one I put on full force, because you want that baby blasting to kill those germs and such. But when it's like this and it's just a sweet scent, more so for just enjoyment and relaxing and all that, I put it on intermittent. But anyway, okay, and then it also has different light settings. So you have that bright white first. This is like a more dim white. This one is my favorite. It's like a candlelit setting. So if you love candles, this kind of mimics having a candle on, which is nice. Then it has red, orange, like a yellow, green. This is like a light purpley color. It's pretty. Blue, pink, and then the option to not have a light on at all. But I always tend to either go for this white one or the candlelit setting. That one's my favorite. So yeah, so this is the Desert Mist, and I will make sure to have my link in the description box if you are interested in grabbing a starter kit and getting your very own Desert Mist. Thanks so much for watching.